saying is that but Kevin Taylor was brought to this country.
So
that's the point. And we were told to say
he was being shielded by national security.
Yes, on him pennyphobia, abamum pennyphobia, and nam. Why you do that?
You see, it means that the precedents. It is a speculation.
A matter at court.
You are speculating.
Yes, but Obaha.
But if it's a speculation, then I agree with
Obaha, a man as a man will court. Asemno.
So our precedent no said
Asemno was it discontinued? And yes. It was something.
Yeah.
And Pelo, I wasn't for buying, and he should have been arrested, sent to court. Nanka how the finance go through process. Nanka onya bail. Nanka obi who say Kevin Taylor crowd kasa. Yes, say speculatively. NDC ni be no waka say Kevin Taylor NDC ni. Even Kevin Taylor no so MPP ni. But also, obi said the oil and benefit NDC. It would say who NDC who buy a crown and say no crown and say who supporting the crown. Let him have gone through that process. Chino. Money bill that day na eba yes eba Kevin Taylor kra mo say o kasama ye kra no eba ye mamra ne ne ye den ediye but now about me abronye odam 100 years kra mfa me ho but I am worried about this girl. Miss what they make can see I am not worried about any exposed political person that
is why I have my concern because this very much your culture set is Emma different from a member. A man will limit when it comes to talking to even men. So what you say? Oko the northern side before so baby chiabema ye fan is all fan Anthony say yemunchiano obekoto no chiano. It's the same way when you come to our oba had museya oba person be makasa or dia ho brase mu de ne kasa. E kwanya girl we fast wo de ekoso camera de see ni so no didi panyfo atem no should tell you e kwanya fast tete no. Ene anamo no person tu abrabo mu wosu yehu dada because girl we bro 18 years na dream da ho onim ne oye what you say and some of these days yema emrano me I'm much concerned about emrano say emrano say bibi say esia now I heard friend say miracle abuaje ni the miracles and say miracles and say general bebre oh miracles abuaje say free speech doesn't warrant arrest so you atem didi kra no enye bone
no but eno no nyesa na mrane ka
onu no all kasa asem no we have sat in this country. Professor Mills suffered the same thing from the NPP meboa now other president abe suffer the same thing to a point. He says school akwala onye ndi even 15 years of that's what cameras in the so the Akufo-Addo attempt which is absolutely wrong but the koko wie ye no why the man the pardon it's not the same Akufo-Addo now no catch say munya nkra a life of farmer wo. You did President Mahama. There was one. Is it another school and crab businesses? What did President Mahama? President Mahama had to forgive them. But what does the law says? If there's a certain law guiding this whole thing,
there is.
So Obi, I say, oh, they are changing the air. Then also feel say, Obi so feel say, so also ye bonia. And they are okay. You bet channel.
Exactly
the point. Before so to ask me, what that for Ivan or I can't know more natural security. Oh,
I have some questions. I don't know some questions that mean young. Evans Bremona on this matter now.
Sir John.
Yes.
I think discussion is very, very interesting. There are certain things we need to get right. Okay. So you're very fair. Okay. With our conversations, sometimes we end up losing it. The issue of, and I like the way Sami put it, a NDC MPP problem.
Yeah.
Look, there are elements within these two political parties almost finances are there. Currently, as we speak, even journalists are journalists. They insult all the time. So, okay. It is a word. Unya radio so, unya TV so. Now we diatema. You have no moral right. We insult. But we are supposed to be that model. We are supposed to be that standard. And they yet nasi ye kasa. Ye standard. Ye will be a Oshe Ibrahim. Say, oh, Send ye be a Ujan TV Tereso Casano. In Yameso, it obey standard, obey role model. Say, if Ibrahim starts insulting, Wabe a very bad role model because there are people they bow and scrape. They worship people because they love them because they like them. So just here.
Politicians also need role model.
No, I'm talking about was say you inspire, but we rather commit the same. We rather commit the same thing. That is problematic. Politicians winning. They be ameka say, you wrong say politician grab set the agenda. As media practitioners, we are supposed to be setting the agenda. What is our job? Our duty is say, you fa information, you be educated, you be informed, na entertaining. But in this generation, some media practitioners, you fail the society, because you're picking information, now you're twisting, because we are normally inclined or inspired or influenced. You my political party ni DNM. Yen journalists no. Political I'm coming. Yen political party no. You mani DNM. So na ye de influence information no and sana you even aim at what result are we achieving. Okay. I believe say nyema e koso no eye nyema bone and the NDC edi ho for MPP di ho for because maybe before say Akufo-Addo ebeba power no nyanya instances enima tantantan before say Mahama ebeba power no nyanya instances enima tantantan even as we speak ekoso enti I will always support, and that is where I will support JB and Same say baby edru no. And of course, JB also made a very salient point. Say, look, Tama, His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo will be here, but the channel. It shouldn't be so. Say, Emran say, Nipano, or libel, and you see, we always, say, oh, free speech. No. In as much as say, you use free speech, you also cannot defame somebody.
Yeah.
Yes. Only panoso war ne fundamental human right, but you see say oko defame will be koka asem to be so na say nipa no take legal action iteti afa hodie so na nipa no si nipa no eteti afa hodie so na oko twa antro di nipa na tem nipa no nya busua. We forget that, and you see journalists, we must also be very responsible. E man yan fa ne say nya konya no na say yenya microphone no ana yenya TV no tenaso ana yenya bia ye we a ye nyame ye de we cannot be ye de we cannot be touched. No, nipa no a ye de ne betena TV no so ye de betena radio no so e di natem be all in the name of politics no also abusua. He can also sue us. It is ade no de wo kan ye no kura he obia say o fact no na say wo kasa. And if you so, man for will attest to that fact. If your credibility, that is the level of credibility. Your first seminal. Now the seminal can you can't we attack the issue. We don't attack individual because ubia or your politician be and no. The reality is that if the person is out of politics, out of governance, that means but he has been put on that scale of scrutiny because the taxpayers Sekyere Etrianica. But even with that, it doesn't warrant insult, personal attack.
No.